Hey guys, I'm Billy Martin. Welcome to Beginner Blacksmithing with the beginner. But anyways, I gotta say thanks to Alan. He sent me a care package. I'll show you up close more here in a minute. And then Jim, he sent me this 1x36, I believe, belt sander to help me out to get started until I get my 2x72 up and going. And then I'm going to forge it forward, this belt sander, to somebody else, whoever I think is a beginner blacksmither that is actually going to stay into the trade to try it out, basically, or a knife maker or something. Anyways, man, I'll forward it forward to somebody. We'll figure it out. But anyways, let's get on with it. I'll show you what I'll show you this that Jim gave me, the 1x36 belt sander close up, and all the belts he gave me. And then I'll show you all the pretty cool wood, bottom puller, and stuff like that that Alan gave to me. I just want to say thanks to both of you, man. This has helped me out a lot. You don't have a clue how much. It's pretty cool. I'll show you those. Here we go. Alright, this is the belt sander. It's a 1x36. He made some adjustments on it though, so you can make this either way to a 45 basically. Either way you want to go with it. He put in this piece of steel right here. So this part will pivot and that part, so it allows you to move this. It's pretty cool. Good idea. But it's pretty good. It's a central machinery. It seems to be working just fine. I tried it out a while ago, and I love it. It's great. It's a lot better than doing bevels by hand and everything, and hand grinding, sanding all the handles and stuff like that I've been doing. So we'll see how that goes. Can't wait to get it tried out. We're going to try it out here in a little bit on we're going to try it out on some of those. We're going to make some knives out of railroad spikes. I got a bunch more too. Some of these say, I don't know if that HC means the high carbon ones or what, but we'll find out. Maybe we can look it up, or one of you guys will let me know. But here's all the belts he gave me. Look at all them, man. He hooked me up. Thanks, Jim. Thank you a lot, bud. I love it. Let's see, they go. I think the finest one is a 400. Some of these are ceramic. I don't know. Some are ceramic, I think aluminum oxide. I gotta figure out the difference in between each belt, what's best for each, but we'll figure it out. But anyways, this one here is 400. He hooked me up with 4 of those. 4 of the 320. 4 of there's 600. I got that in the wrong spot. Let's switch that around here. 600. That's the highest grit. And then that one's 220. Gave me 4 of those. I got 2 of the 120s. I gotta figure out how to tell these belts apart though. And then I got a ton of, I think these are 100 grit ones. Yeah, 100 grit. I think these are ceramic also. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. And then 3 of the 80 grit. These are ceramic also. I don't know if red ceramic and blue something else or what, but 380s. 2 of the 40. And then these ones, I'm not for sure what they are, but they're polyester belts. I think they're 24 grit. They say 24 like everyone the other ones do. Let's turn those around so they all match the same direction. But there we go, Jim, man. I love it, man. Thanks a lot, bub. It's gonna make a lot of knives and handles. Thank you. Alright, now let's get over here what Alan gave us. I'm not for sure what half of these woods are, but they really do look good. Hang on, let me get some light over here so you guys can see. This, I don't know. Poor editing, I know, man. Maybe we can sit you like that. Oh. Oh. Come on, Billy. Should have been ready for this. There we go. Plug you in. There we go. Now we got some light on the subject. Alright, but look at this. I think that might, I'm not for sure what that is, guys, but it's pretty cool. This one here, you guys can see that. Some lighter colored wood. I don't know what this is either, but the end of it's got some pretty cool grain designs. So I imagine the inside does too. Look at these ones. See how they shine like that? That's pretty cool. It goes all the way through the wood like that. Those same grain. That's pretty cool, anyway. There's the other one to match it, another one. Goes all the way through. We got two of these. I don't know what kind they are, but they're pretty bright red. They look pretty cool. Got some nice dark line streaks in them. Look at that. And we got some of this. It looks like a leopard pattern stuff. I don't know if it's just the way it was cut or what, but it looks pretty cool. Look at that. Won't that look cool as heck? And then we got these things. Look at this stuff. Looks like a leopard pattern of some sort. You see that? That's pretty cool. This is awesome, Alan. Thanks. There's another one of it. And then gave me this. It's got some really nice dark grain looks in them. Look at that. And there's this one. Hard maple. This one's stamped on it. It says hard maple. That's pretty cool. And then I believe this might be walnut. Wait. I believe that's a walnut. If not, this one is. One of these two are walnut, he said. And then he gave me, look at these antiques. There ain't no markings on them anywhere. But it's been well used and well abused. But it's a fuller of some Here's another one, it's a upper puller. These are all antiques, he said. I'll be using them though. And we got this chisel here, or a punch, I mean. I thought there was a marking in it there for a second. There's just an X right there, somebody cut in it. But that'd be used for punching out my pair of tongs that I'm going to be making. They give me this. I don't know what it is exactly. This is some kind of chisel, cold chisel or a hot chisel or something like that, but that's what I use it for, is hot chiseling. And then he gave me the handle for one of the pullers. Thanks, dude. Look at all this, man. All that gave to me from a couple of good guys. Man, Alan's a woodworker. Jim's a knife maker, blacksmith, and all that. I just don't know what to tell you guys, man. Thanks. I'll be forging a Ford here real soon. I got some stuff in the works, some knife handles and stuff. We'll see what we can figure out for some people. So, till next time, man. You guys forge on, have fun, dude. That's all I can tell you guys. Rock on. Hammer some steel, and have a ton of fun doing it, guys.